Hey, welcome back. I hope you are enjoying Excel. So now I want us to enter some data and also introduce our first formula. I think you are really looking forward to this. Okay, let's go to CRC1. I have some data here. So data entry, I want to enter some numbers, some text values, some logical values. I want to enter some date and time. I want to also have our first formula. Okay, let's say text value. Okay, entering numbers. So I can have 1, enter. I can have 2, enter. You see my numbers are lining to the right of the cell. This is the cell, so my numbers are lining to the right. Okay, now if I want to keep on adding something, I don't need to keep on saying 3, 4 and so on. So I just highlight these two cells and drag it down. You can see it's autofills for me. Entering text values. So maybe I have girl. I just type I can just type Dambi. Okay, so it is there for me, and you realize that it is not within the limit of my column, so I can just hold and drag to the right so that it fits within my column. Okay, that is how you enter the text values. And yeah, very important. So how to enter logical values? You know, logical values are like true or false, and then you also see that for text values it is aligning to the left. So you see this is aligning to the left, numbers are aligning to the right. What about we have logical values? Maybe you can have this here, and we can have logical values. We can say maybe true and say enter. So true is a logical value, and you can see it is aligning to the middle, to the center. Okay, so we can also enter some date. So what is the date today? It is 6/24 2021, and you say enter, and the dates are behaving like numbers and they are aligning to the right. Very important. Okay, our first formula, you have been waiting for this. Okay, let me say I entered my name like this, and now I want it to be in a proper form. Like I want all letters that are starting my name should be the capital letter. So our first formula, when you want to do a formula in Excel, you start with equal sign. So you say equals, I say proper. I want to use proper function so that all letters that are starting the name to start as caps. I say tab. So I want to reference. Okay, so I click on the cell that I want. It is asking for the text, and I say enter. Okay, Galm, Dida, Dambi. All first letters of the name are capital. What if you want to do all of them with caps, like all the name are starting with, or all of the letters are capital letters? So that one you are going to study. In our next class, we are going to discuss aggregate functions. So we are going to have how to sum numbers, how to average numbers, how to count, and so on. Enjoy Excel, and thank you for joining.